FIAC Vision is an ambitious program. It has multiple facets that needs to be carefully balanced and integrated and will require the expertise of a multidisciplinary team.
Another challenge has to do with multi-source fusion. Right now, I find that in the current paradigm we work in a situation where we find ourselves stovepiped often in a specific discipline. And so a future paradigm I perceive where we have multi-source fusion becoming something that is a bit more automatic would certainly be helpful. And so I see the vision potentially allowing us to break down some of these walls between the different specialist capabilities and allow analysts to access this information in a more effective way.
The FIAC, to me, would be a major tool in harnessing everything that's being done inside of the INT function to improve as we go towards the future. And we have a couple key milestones with transformation coming up, how we're going to reorganize how we do work in startup or inside of CDI, and how we're going to better prepare ourselves for the new building we're talking about, the Command and Control Intelligence Center in 2018-19 will be feeding off what we learn from this vision.
So we have to develop ways where we can combine information in a multi-intelligence, multi-organizational mode that allows us to do all-source production in a multi-intelligence environment.
FIAC seeks to address the exacting demands of intelligence in the modern operating terrain and the expanding uncertainties that the Canadian forces are facing. The key principles of the FIAC are: it will be analyst-centered, it will be a multi-int environment enabling the exploitation of all source information, it will enable GIMP operations, it will facilitate collaboration, it will support the full spectrum of the intelligence cycle with an emphasis on the processing, and finally, it will enable concurrent and multiple intelligence threads. The main challenges are to tackle information and cognitive overload challenges using, when appropriate, automation and mixed initiative support solutions, and to avoid system stovepipes, to design an architecture that provides data access to the right person from any location.
A future intelligence analysis capability is going to be very important for Canada and our allies. As we have this data deluge right now, our intelligence analysts have to handle so much information from so many sources, and it's overloading them. Human factors is going to play an important role in that. We could have an effect on the best interfaces between technology and users. We could have an effect on who we select, how we train them, how we organize intelligence analysis. Right now it's fairly stovepiped. Perhaps we can integrate it so that we can get more effective, better analysis to the commander more quickly and enable the commander to make better decisions more quickly.
In summary, we are presenting three things. We're presenting a vision of a future operational capability for the intelligence community. We're presenting also a new way to define and derive an S&T program based on this vision. And we're also proposing a new way to collaborate with our S&T partners and position them at the beginning of the innovation chain. The next major milestone for the DRDC team will be to evolve this intelligence-based vision toward a comprehensive command and control and intelligence vision and derive accordingly a C2I S&T investment plan. DRDC is committed to be an S&T leader, and this initiative is clearly aligned with this commitment.
So you need a vision to portray that target you want to go for. Without a vision, you can't have people looking at the same target.